In my opinion, these are the two best computer-aided design softwares.
Let's start by comparing them and see what they have to offer.
In 1982, Autodesk released AutoCAD software and it became a huge breakthrough in the computer design industry. AutoCAD has become very important among technical drawing and design programs.
About 25 years ago, Revit emerged and it became a new phenomenon because it operates in a completely different way than AutoCAD. It provides realistic simulation of real buildings to the designer's needs. Revit Technology Corporation launched the first version of the software in 2000 called Revit Revised. Autodesk later bought Revit Corporation in 2002. Well, enough with the history.
AutoCAD is used for precise 2D and 3D drafting, modeling, and design. Each element is drawn separately. This means you have to draw every element like doors, windows, manually. Unlike in Revit, where doors and windows are already built in the software. You can have as much freedom as you want with AutoCAD.
Revit is a more advanced and capable software for complex designs. It is a parametric modeling software. This means features are created based on predefined parameters. This makes Revit less intuitive to use than AutoCAD.